And putting it on spin. Take a few seconds for it to go to spin. Right up instantly. Okay, so we're just going to pause that, and then we're going to come back. Whole pipe is sagged. I wonder why it's not breathing. It's back pitch coming this way, back pitch coming this way. The toilet is up here, and I don't have a light to get in there, but that's all back pitched. Let me see if I can show. Okay, there is a mushroom vent up underneath here, but that doesn't seem to be working. So I pulled the plug on that to allow air in. So let's go turn it on again. Gonna take a couple seconds. Drains.